Hi everybody, my name is Klein. I'm from France. I work in the SUEZ group, which is a very big company dealing with waste, water and wastewater too. And as far as for now, we are a new climate player with Biochar activity. I wanted to see all the dynamic around this new industry, this new scalable carbon sink, because this is a carbon sink and this is scalable. So that's why I'm here to just measure what is possible to do and of course try to implement new factories with our business. Favorite things with Biochar is that it's a scalable carbon sink, of course, and that it has lots of co-benefits. It means that carbon is not only disposed of, but it goes to work. The carbon is turned into high-value materials that can be used in lots of activities, services, and products, and that's really wonderful. And the other part is that creating biochar, we generally help to solve the problem of waste, biomass waste, organic waste, that are a big issue in some countries, with lots of issues, such as, for example, burning the biomass after the harvest that creates toxic fumes and so on. So value it and turning it into biochar is a good option to value this waste.